In today's video, we're exploring the mysteries of the stock market and answering the question, what is the stock market and how does it work? First, let's define the stock market. Simply put, it's a place where companies can raise money by selling shares of their stock and where investors can buy and sell those shares. It's a vital component of the global economy, as it allows companies to access the capital they need to grow and expand, and it provides investors with the opportunity to earn returns on their money. So how does the stock market actually work? Let's start with the companies. When a company wants to raise money, it can do so by selling shares of its stock to the public through an initial public offering, or IPO. These shares represent a piece of ownership in the company, and the money raised from the sale of the shares goes back into the company to fund operations and growth. On the other side of the equation are the investors. When you buy shares of a company's stock, you become a shareholder and own a small piece of the company. The value of your shares is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a particular stock, the price will go up. If more people want to sell, the price will go down. The stock market operates through stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. These exchanges act as a marketplace where buyers and sellers can come together to trade shares of stock. So that's the stock market in a nutshell. It's a place where companies can raise capital and investors can buy and sell shares in those companies. It's a complex and ever-evolving system, but by understanding the basics, you can begin to navigate the world of stock trading with confidence. Stay tuned for more videos on the stock and financial markets, how they work and how to successfully invest into them and trade them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more business and finance related content.